How to make collapsible tabs in your Shopify product page. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is actually built in Shopify, so let's just go and get to it. At least for most themes. So click on Edit Theme from your Shopify admin, and we just want to go to the default product page. So click on the top here, click on Products, and click on Default Product. Next up, you simply just want to click on the arrow next to Product Information. And I'm just going to also do the same thing for details. And now we're going to be able to find add block within the details section. So we simply just want to click on that. And we're going to be able to find accordion. This is going to be the one that we want, which is pretty much just tabs. So click on that and we're going to have the accordion block. So let's just go in and explain it real quick. So if you click on the accordion block itself, you're going to be able to adjust the entire thing, like the actual style of it and so on. You can feel free to really adjust that as you like. But then underneath it, you're going to be able to find each individual tab. And you can even add more tabs by clicking on add block right underneath the main one. And you're going to be able to add a new row. So each row is going to also contain a text block. And you can obviously just adjust the text from it, as you can see. And we also have the different layout options for the text and so on. So you have basically whatever you want to adjust for the text here. But if you click on the accordion row itself, you're going to also be able to change the heading, obviously, for the tab itself, and also add an icon to it. So basically what you want to do to adjust any of them, I'm just going to do one here, the last one, for example. First, click on the accordion row itself, change the heading. If you want to add an icon to it, feel free to do so from here. Let's just go and search for a ruler. And just go back and click on the text option, which is right beneath the third one here. So I'm just going to click on that. And we're just going to add the size guide here, which I don't really have one. I'm just going to type. And obviously you can just feel free to adjust the text as you like. So now people are going to be able to just see the size guide here. They can open up the tabs, they can close them, and you can even pick whichever one that you want it to be open by default, which is this right here. Open row by default means it's going to always be open, the first one, and people can just feel free to close it. So usually it's going to be the first one, so I'm just going to do that real quick like so, and make sure that this is the open row by default. And yeah, this is pretty much it. And also you can feel free to connect dynamic sources here if you want. So if you want it to be more depending on the product itself instead of just general, because right now what we added is going to be basically applied to all the different products that you have. It's not going to be unique to specific ones. So this is going to be because we did it on the default product page. Now to make it unique for a specific product, you can do two different things here. First, create templates, or the first method is create templates, and for each template you can make a specific accordion with specific needs or requirements to that product. Or the other way, which is going to be using meta fields and dynamic sources. You can just connect it to the actual the heading and the text like so. So with that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.